Good morning, everyone. So today we will be starting our new chapter of book. It so happened, yes, and this is third chapter. The name of the chapter is The Selfish Giant. You must have read the story somewhere in Hindi or Punjabi. Yes, maybe in Gulliver Travels. You must have read the story somewhere. So let us read that story once again. The giant's garden was beautiful and children loved to play in it. Giant के पास एक garden है and that garden is beautiful and children love to play in that garden. The giant, who was selfish, built a high wall around his lovely garden. तो giant ने एक अपने garden के around wall built कर लिया so that no one could enter his garden. Children did not enter the garden thereafter, nor did spring and summer till the giant experienced a change of heart. तो जब giant made a wall around his garden, उसके बाद से उसके garden में कोई भी नहीं enter करा. Children तो enter कर ही नहीं सकते थे because he built a high wall. The seasons, the spring season and summer season, they also did not enter into the garden of the giant till he experiences a change of heart. Means his heart changes. Now let us start reading. Every afternoon, as they were coming from school, the children used to go and play in the giant's garden. They here is referring to the children. So every afternoon when the school got over, the children, they went to giant's garden and they played there in his garden. It was a large, lovely garden with soft green grass. It was a very big garden, quite beautiful, and it has a soft grass. There was soft green grass in the garden. Here and there over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars, and there were 12 peach trees that in the springtime broke out into delicate blossoms of pink and purple, and in the autumn bore rich fruit. तो उसके गार्डन में हर जगह पे ग्रास थी, ब्यूटीफुल ग्रास थी, और उसमें जो फ्लावर्स थे वो ऐसे लगते थे जैसे स्टार्स हो. एंड देयर वर 12 पीच ट्रीज, 12 उसके पास पीच ट्रीज थे इन दैट गार्डन. और उन पीच ट्रीज में स्प्रिंग टाइम में काफी डेलिकेट मीन्स वेरी सॉफ्ट, ब्लॉसम्स मीन्स फ्लावर्स, काफी डेलिकेट से फ्लावर्स उगते थे पिंक एंड पर्पल कलर के. और ऑटम सीजन में उन ट्रीज से फ्रूट्स उगते थे. द बर्ड्स sat on the trees and sang so sweetly that the children used to stop their games in order to listen to them. और उन ट्रीज के ऊपर जो बर्ड्स बैठते थे and they sang so beautifully. The chirping of the birds is compared to the music. And the children, they stopped their games just to listen to the sweet songs of the birds. How happy we are here, they cried to each other. और खुशी से वो एक दूसरे को कहते थे, हम यहाँ कितने खुश हैं. One day the giant came back. एक दिन giant वापस आ गया. He had been to visit his friend, the Cornish orc, and had stayed with him. Cornish orc है name बेटा. And had stayed with him for 7 years. अपने friend से मिलने गया था. 7 years तक he stayed with his friend and then he came back to his garden. When he arrived, he saw the children playing in the garden. उसने देखा कि उसके garden में बच्चे play कर रहे हैं. What are you doing here? He cried in a gruff voice and the children ran away. काफी gruff means very harsh, very rude sound. काफी जोर से चिल्लाया, तुम लोग यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? And all the children, they ran away. My own garden is my own garden, said the giant. Anyone can understand that, and I'll allow nobody to play in it but myself. So he built a high wall around it, all around it, and put up a notice board. Trespassers will be prosecuted. He was a very selfish giant. So garden में जब giant ने देखा that there are children playing, he just shouted that anyone can understand that this garden belongs to me only. This is my garden only and no one else is allowed to play in this garden. So after that, what he did, he built a high wall around he built a fence around his garden so that nobody could enter. And he also put up a notice board, और उस notice board पे क्या लिखा था? Trespassers will be prosecuted. Trespassers होते हैं बेटा the people who enter in someone's property without permission, and prosecuted here would be punished. So anyone who enters my property without my permission will be punished. He was very selfish giant. The poor children had now nowhere to play. अब बेचारे बच्चों के poor here is referring to the children के बहुत बेचारे बच्चे थे because they did not have any other place to play. They tried to play on the road, but the road was very dusty and full of hard stones, and they did not like it. Though they thought to play on the road, but the road was quite dusty, काफी dust थी उस पे और उस पे काफी hard stones थे, तो उनको वहां पे खेलना अच्छा नहीं लगा. They used to wander around and the high walls when their lessons were over and talk about the beautiful garden inside. तो जब उनके lessons over हो जाते थे, when they had जब उनका स्कूल खत्म हो जाता था, they used to come near that garden. They used to roam around the high walls of the garden and talk about the beauty of that garden. And what did they say to each other? How happy we were there. पहले जब वो उस गार्डन में प्ले करते थे, then their wordings were how happy we are. Now they are outside the garden, they are not allowed to enter inside the garden, so they say how happy we were there. Their here is referring to the garden. Then the spring came, and all over the country there were little blossoms and little birds. फिर spring season आया और सारी country में फूल थे, छोटे छोटे birds थे because of the spring season. Only in the garden of the selfish giants it was still winter. बस selfish giant के garden में ही अभी तक winter थी. Means there was spring season in all the parts of the country except giant garden. There was winter season going on. The birds did not care to sing in it as there were no children and the trees forgot to blossom. So birds जो थे, they did not bother that this is spring season going on and they should also sing in selfish giant's garden. Moreover, the trees, they did not bear the fruits at that time. Once a beautiful flower put its head out from the grass, but when it saw the notice board, it was so sorry for the children that it slipped back into the garden again and went off to sleep. But during that spring season, किसी एक flower ने अपने bud में से it raised his head bloom करने के लिए, पर उसने देखा notice board जिसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ था trespassers will be prosecuted, and he felt really bad for children, and he again slipped back into the ground. Means it did not bloom again. The only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost. Now snow and frost, they are personified. उनको persons की तरह characters की तरह deal किया गया है इस chapter में. Snow and frost, they were only happy. Spring has forgotten this garden, and they say that spring season has forgotten this garden. They cried. They here is referring to snow and frost, right answer. So we will live here all the year round, and they are happy that snow. Who is happy? Snow and frost. They are happy that for whole year they will live in this garden now. The snow covered up the grass with her great white cloak, and the frost painted all the trees silver. So snow ने क्या किया? जितनी भी grass थी उसको अपने cloak means that cloth which is used to cover up our torso, right, upper part of the body. So पूरे garden पे spread हो गई snow, and जो frost थी उसने सारे trees के ऊपर वो जम गई, जिससे कि ऐसे लगने लग गया कि पूरे trees जो हैं वो silver color के हैं. Then they invited the north wind to stay with them, and he came. अब उन्होंने किसको invite किया? North wind को. And north wind also came in that garden. He was wrapped in furs and he rode all day about the garden and blew the chimney pots down. अब वो fur में wrapped थी, north wind हवा है तो काफी ठंडी होगी. So this is all these are dealt as characters, right? तो पूरा दिन वो जो गार्डन में रोर करती थी, हवा चलेगी तो आवाज आती है, so that is called roaring of the sound, and blew the chimney pots down, और जो chimney pots थे उनको गिरा दिया नीचे. This is a delightful spot, he said. We must ask Hale on a visit. अब कौन कह रहा है ये? नॉर्थ विंड. क्या कह रही है कि ये बहुत ही डिलाइटफुल प्लेस है, वेरी हैप्पी प्लेस टू लिव इन, एंड दे शुड ऑल्सो कॉल हेल टू विजिट दिस गार्डन. नाउ सो द हेल केम. अब हेल स्टॉर्म भी, हेल इज हेल स्टॉर्म, राइट? Every day for 3 hours, he rattled on the roof of the castle till he broke most of the slates, and then he ran round and round the garden as fast as he could go. अब हर दिन, every day for almost 3 hours, it rattled. Rattle means sound होती है, rattling sound. आपने rattle snake सुना है? It makes sound. बच्चों के rattles होते हैं, so making sound. It roams in the garden, making different sounds, roaring sounds, and till it broke the most of the slates of the roof. जो छत की slates होती हैं उनको तोड़ नहीं दिया तब तक. And he was dressed in grey, and his breath was like ice. So dressed in grey मतलब उसके कपड़े जो थे वो ग्रे कलर के थे, and it was dressed और उसकी सांस जो थी, it was as cold as ice. Now in the garden we are talking about 4 things. One is snow, frost, hail, and north wind. All these 4 friends, we can say, are staying in the giant's garden and creating mess in his garden during spring season. I can't understand why the spring is so late in coming, he said the selfish giant as he sat at the window and looked out at his cold white garden. I hope there will be a change in the weather. तो अब वो कहता है कि मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि स्प्रिंग इतना लेट क्यों कर रही है यहाँ आने में. He was sitting at the window and he was looking outside, and he wished that there will be change in the weather. Soon the weather will change, but the spring never came nor the summer. But उसके garden में ना तो spring आई ना summer season आया. The autumn gave golden fruits to every garden, but to the giant's garden she gave none. Autumn season में fruits होते हैं, ripe fruits होते हैं, but there were no fruits in the giant's garden. Rest in every part of the country there were fruits. He is too selfish, he said. उसने कहा ये बहुत ही selfish है. ये किसको refer कर रहा है? The giant, right? So it was always winter there, and the north wind and the hail and the frost and the snow danced about through the trees. इसलिए वहां पे काफी देर तक winter season था, और उसके garden में all these 4 friends, कौन कौन? North wind, hail, frost and snow, they spent a happy time in giant's garden. One morning, the giant was lying awake in bed when he heard some lovely music. एक दिन giant was awake and he heard some lovely music coming from outside. It sounded so sweet to his ears that he thought it must be the king's musicians passing by. और उसको वो म्यूजिक इतना अच्छा लगा कि उसने सोचा शायद किंग्स के जो म्यूजिशियंस हैं वो उसके गार्डन के सामने से पास कर रहे हैं. It was really only a little linnet singing outside his window, but it was so long since he had heard a bird singing in his garden that it seemed to him to be the most beautiful music in the world. So actually में वो जो music था वो क्या था? There was a little bird linnet singing in the garden. क्योंकि giant को कोई music सुने हुए काफी देर हो गई थी. That is why he found that the linnet song was the most mesmerizing music in the whole world. Then the hail stopped dancing over his head. Then the hail stopped dancing over his head, and the north wind ceased roaring, and a delicious perfume came to him through the open casement. Casement means window, window space. So जो north wind थी it stopped blowing, right? And seized me, stopped roaring. And then the hail stopped dancing over his head. The hail did not, dance over his head means it also stopped. Then, and a delicious perfume came to him through, और उसे उसकी अपनी ओपन विंडो में से काफी सुंदर किसी परफ्यूम की खुशबू आई. I believe the spring has come at last, said the giant, and he jumped out of bed and looked out. और जब उसे काफी अच्छी परफ्यूम की खुशबू आई तो अपने बेड से कूदा और उसे and he looked outside the window and he thought that spring season has finally come. Further, he saw the most wonderful sight. He here is referring to the giant. Yes. So he saw the most wonderful sight. उसने बहुत अच्छा scene देखा. What did he see? Through a little hole in the wall, the children had crept in and they were sitting in the branches of the tree. और जो wall में there was a little hole और उस hole के through बच्चे जो थे वो garden में enter कर गए, right? And they were sitting on the branches of the tree. Every tree that he could see, there was a little child. तो जितने भी पेड़ देख सकता था, हर एक पेड़ के ऊपर क्या था? There was a little child sitting. And the trees were so glad to have the children back again that they had covered themselves with blossom and were waving their arms gently above the children's heads. And the trees, they were very happy when the children climbed on them. So there were flowers on the trees, and the arm here is referring to the branches. So the trees, they very gently, very softly wave their branches on the head of the children. The birds were flying about and twittering with delight, and the flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. जो birds थे वो उड़ रहे थे and twittering means speaking, twitter करते थे, बोल रहे थे, chirping with happiness, and the flowers were looking up through the green grass and laughing. और जो flowers थे, they also looked happy. They were looking through the grass and they were also looking happy. Now, in these lines, the writer has described that all the nature was very happy when the children again entered into the giant's garden. There was greenery on the trees, there were flowers, there were fruits. All the nature looked happy when they saw the children coming into the garden and climbing up the tree. This is what the writer has told in these lines. So next line is, it was a lovely scene. Obviously, when the nature is at its best, so the view is quite mesmerizing. Only in one corner, it was still winter. But उस garden के सिर्फ एक corner में अभी भी winter season था. It was the farthest corner of the garden. और ये क्या था? Garden का सबसे दूर वाला corner था. And in it was standing a little boy. और उस corner में कौन था? There was a little boy standing in that corner. He was so small that he could not reach up to the branches of the tree, and he was wandering all around crying bitterly. और वो इतना small था कि वो branches के ऊपर उस tree के ऊपर climb नहीं कर पा रहा था, and वो पूरे उस tree के around घूम रहा था, and he was crying very badly. The poor tree was still covered with frost and snow. और वो पेड़ जो था जिसके ऊपर that child could not climb, अभी भी सारा frost और snow के साथ covered था. And the north wind was blowing and roaring above it. और उस tree के ऊपर जो अभी भी north wind जो थी वो blow कर रही थी, चल रही थी, roar कर रही थी. Climb up, little boy, said the tree. और tree ने क्या बोला? Climb करो इस tree पे. And it bent its branches down as low as it could. और इतना कहते हुए उस tree ने अपनी branches को और झुका दिया, जितना झुका सकता था उसने अपनी branches को झुका दिया. क्यों? ताकि वो जो small boy है, he could climb up the tree. But the boy was too tiny. But वो जो boy था, he was very small. He could not climb up the branches of the tree, even if the branches bent themselves down as low as they could. Next paragraph is, and the giant's heart melted as he looked out. How selfish I have been, he said. Now I know why the spring would not come here. I will put up that poor little boy on the top of the tree, and then I will knock down the walls, and my garden shall be the children's playground forever and ever. He was really very sorry for what he had done. So जब उसने ये देखा that there was only one corner of his garden where there was winter season, and that too because the little boy could not climb, he realized that his garden looked beautiful only because the children came to play in his garden. He realized his mistake, that what he had done to the children. So giant's heart melted as he looked out, जैसे ही उसने बाहर देखा, and he realizes that he had been very selfish. He said, now I know why the spring wouldn't come here. And he realizes the reason why spring did not come to his garden that year. I will put that poor little boy on the top of the tree, and then I will knock down the walls. और वो कहते कि मैं उस लिटिल बॉय को उस ट्री के ऊपर बिठा दूंगा, उसके बाद नॉकडाउन नहीं, तोड़ देना. तो मैं सारी दीवारें जो हैं अपने गार्डन के अराउंड उनको तोड़ दूंगा, ऑल द फेंसेस. I'll destroy all the fences around my garden, and my garden shall be the children's playground forever and ever. और जो मेरा गार्डन है वो बच्चों के खेलने की जगह होगा हमेशा के लिए. He was really very sorry for what he had done. He was actually feeling sorry for what he did to the children. What did he do? What did he do? Yes, he made a fence and didn't allow the children to enter into his garden. Next, it is, yes, let me read. Yes, so he crept downstairs and opened the front door quite softly and went out into the garden. अब वो सीढ़ियों से नीचे उतरा और front door उसने open किया and went into the garden. But when the children saw him, they were so frightened that they all ran away and the garden became winter again. But जो children थे, they were very frightened of him, quite afraid of him. So when they saw the giant coming towards them, they all ran away. And when the children ran away from the garden, there was all winter season once again. Only the little boy didn't run, for his eyes were so filled of tears that he did not see the giant coming. But सिर्फ वो जो little boy था, वो नहीं भागा वहां से. क्या कारण था? क्योंकि उसकी आंखें जो थी वो आंसुओं से भरी हुई थी. There were tears in his eyes, so he could not see properly, and he didn't notice that the giant was coming. Were so filled with it. Okay. And the giant stole up behind him and took him gently in his hands and put him up into the tree. और giant ने क्या किया? Stole up means came quietly without being noticed. बिना किसी के notice के हुए पास आके खड़े हो जाना. And that giant, he came near the boy. He just picked that boy into his arms and made him sit in the tree and put him into the tree. And the tree broke at once into blossoms, and the birds came and sang on it, and the little boy stretched out his two arms and flung them around the giant's neck and kissed him. और जैसे ही वो little boy उस ट्री के ऊपर बैठा, उस ट्री पे फूल खिल गए, उस ट्री पे birds sing करने लग गए, and that little boy, he just stretched out his two arms, उसने अपनी दोनों arms फैलाई, उसने giant को hug किया, and he kissed that giant. Means he showed his love for the giant because he made that little boy sit in the branches of the tree. And other children, when they saw that the giant was not wicked any longer, came running back, and with them came the spring. और जब बाकी बच्चों ने ये देखा कि जो giant था वो अब he was not selfish, he was not wicked. Wicked means बुरा. अब वो बुरा नहीं था. All the children came running into the garden, and उनके साथ ही garden में फिर से वापस spring season आ गया. It is your own, it is your own, your garden now, little children, said the giant, and he took a great axe and knocked down the wall. और उसने बोला कि ये अब गार्डन किसका है, बच्चों का है. He said that this belongs to you now. And then he picked up his axe and broke all the fences or all the walls. And then the people were going to market. At 12 o'clock, they found the giant playing with the children in the most beautiful garden they had ever seen. और जब लोग वहां से मार्केट में जा रहे थे, मार्केट से गुजर रहे थे, around 12 o'clock, उन्होंने देखा कि giant was playing with the children, and the sight of the garden they saw, that was amazing. They had never seen such a beautiful garden. So for today, we'll read up to here, and we'll continue reading the chapter tomorrow. I hope the chapter is clear to you till this paragraph.